Today I'll show you how to share your screen in Google Meet. Step 1. Join a Google Meet meeting. First, open Google Meet in a web browser. Then enter the meeting code or click the meeting link to join. But for this video, I am creating a new meeting. And step 2, check screen sharing permissions. Once you've joined, click the people icon to view the participant list. If you're the meeting host, you'll have screen sharing permissions by default. Step 3, start screen sharing. At the bottom of the screen, locate and click the Present Now button. Next, choose a screen sharing mode. Google Meet offers 3 options for sharing your screen. First is sharing a specific tab in Chrome, excluding the one running the meeting. This is useful when you need to display only one browser tab. The second option is sharing a specific window. With this, you can select an application or window such as PowerPoint, Word, OBS Studio, or another browser. The third option is sharing your entire screen. Choose this if you want participants to see everything on your screen. This is ideal for software tutorials or live system demonstrations. Step 4, confirm screen sharing. After choosing, click the Share button. Then Google Meet will start sharing your screen. To help you identify what's being shared, Google Meet highlights the content with a border. When you're ready to stop sharing, click the Stop Presenting or Stop Sharing button at the bottom of the screen. Screen sharing in Google Meet allows hosts to present information more effectively. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth experience, and remember to stop sharing when you're done.